Hi guys, this session we are going to see how to configure AWS CLI in Windows operating system. So basically in Windows 10. So the first step is go to Google and just type download AWS CLI. So you'll get one of the link called installing, updating and uninstalling the AWS CLI version 2. So basically we have to install the version 2 on the Windows. So I have to open this URL. So here you can see this is the URL which is to be opened. And here you will get the multiple options. So one is prerequisite, means what is the Windows and configuration and all details. Then the second is install or update the AWS CLI version 2. So here if you see, here you will getting the download option. So if you click on the download, it will start downloading. So I have already downloaded this. So basically what I will do quickly, I will install this. So here is I have this. So let's run this. Accept the agreement. And this will install everything. Okay. So now next install. Wait for some time to install this. So you can see here it's installed successfully. So once it's finished, you can open the CMD and you just type AWS. So if it's installed successfully and all the paths and everything is proper, then you will see the option like this, like UJS, then AWS help and command. So basically first thing is we need to configure AWS. So what I will do, AWS configure and press enter. So it will ask for access key ID and secret access key. So when you create the user and if you are allowing the programmatical access and CLI access, then you will get one secret key and access key ID. So if you see, I have already this. If you don't have this, you can create or you can generate the new, and after that only you can access this from the CLI. So I have this user ID, then it will ask for the access key, and then you can provide the region. So I am giving it US. It's up to you. If you are giving any region, then it's fine, otherwise no problem. US East 1. And then if you want, you can give the JSON format, and then it's configure. So if you want to see where this is configured, so you need to go to this PC, then C drive, then users, then go to the username, current username, then there you will see one folder called .aws. Inside that you will see there is one credential file. Just click on this. You will see this as a default, and then the access key ID and the secret access key. So this default means when you are writing any commands, so that time what you will take, it will take this one. Suppose you have multiple environment and you want to set up. So for that what you can do, you can configure as a profile. So to configure as profile, what you can do is AWS configure AWS configure -- profile. You can give dev or prod or anything. So here what I can do is I am giving the same credential. Let's put this. Okay, so if you go to this file, reload, yes, so here you can see the dev. So suppose whenever you are running any command, what you have to do is like AWS. If you are doing S3 ls, then after that you have to give -- profile and then dev. So basically I don't have any folder yet, so it will not show anything. In the next session I will show you how to create a S3 bucket using CLI. So thank you for watching.